Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to do mango candy. For this we need 2 raw mangoes. Peel the skin and cut them into pieces. We need around 2 cups of chopped raw mangoes, so you have to adjust the quantity according to the need. If your mangoes are small, take 2, otherwise 1 is enough. The mango pieces are ready. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. To this add half a cup of water and grind this into a fine paste. Here the mango paste is ready. Let us filter this. Once filtered, leave this for 10 to 15 minutes for the liquid to get separated. We need only the clear liquid, so you have to take it out like this. The clear mango juice is ready. We are going to use this alone. Now take a pan, add half a cup of sugar in it. To this add half cup of water. Start stirring this. Once the sugar gets completely dissolved, add quarter teaspoon of salt. Give a nice mix and add the green mango juice. Now start stirring this. You have to get ball consistency. Food color is optional. If you want, you can add green food color. Now this is thick. Let us check for ball consistency. Take some water in a bowl. Add few drops of this syrup. Make sure it is not dissolving in water. If the drops are not dissolving in water, gather them and roll it. This is the ball consistency. Once you have attained this consistency, you can switch off the flame. Pour this on a parchment paper or butter paper when it is hot. Allow this to cool down completely. Once it cools down, it will become thick. And here our candies are ready. This sweet and sour mango candy will taste so good. You can wrap it with a cling and store it in refrigerator for even months. So our delicious mango candies are ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.